Hey everyone, this is Julie. What's up? Today I am going to help you come up with some awesome lead magnet ideas. So if you have been struggling with this idea of building your list and giving something away for free and you feel overwhelmed or you just don't feel very creative, this video is for you. Now before you begin, I want to tell you something that most people aren't going to tell you. A lead magnet and a funnel for a lead magnet should not take you more than one day. In fact, it should probably not even take you a couple of hours. And so if it is taking you longer than that, then something's wrong, and let's fix it in this video. So number one, how do you get ideas? The good news is that ideas are everywhere. So the most common lead magnet, one that is super easy to do, is a download, right? An info product download. It's a PDF of some kind, a document that you've created. Now, there's all kinds you can do. I'm going to give you some ideas right now. Number one, do you have any really handy checklists? Do you have any handy compilations or top 10 or top 50 tips, tricks, contacts, anything that you could put in a list format? A list is one of the easiest, fastest ways to create a lead magnet. And even if you don't have expertise yet, you could come up with a list of all the experts that you research or the top 50 books that you read on a particular topic. You don't even have to come up with the information. Just make an amazing list. So that's one kind of lead magnet you can do. That's a PDF. Another kind is a swipe file. And this means something that you're already using in your business. Is it an email? Is it a sales script? Is it a discovery call script? Something that you already rely on, a job description, a standard operating procedure, some sort of system that you can give away for free. The third type of PDF I love to give away are outlines. So if I have a big program that's $400 or $500, I give away the outline. I turn it into a really in-depth outline and I give that away for free, which gives somebody some idea of what they have to focus on when they're learning about that topic. All right, so PDFs are the easiest, but do you know that there are things even easier than PDFs? True story. If you want to build a list, here's a trick. Do a Facebook group. Simply build a free community and make sure when they join that community that you ask for their email address and just get that email address into your email service provider. You can make a free funnel that says join my community, and the best part about this type of lead magnet is that if your group starts to get a lot of engagement, Facebook will show it and recommend it to other people. Do you know that I generate over 500 leads a week just with a free community that I don't even really spend that much time in? Okay, so free groups are an easy way to trick yourself into having a lead magnet. The third type of free lead magnet, which takes a little bit more work, but if you already have it built, it's really not that much, is you take either a module of a course or a little course you have and you make it free. If you don't have a course, you could do an email course. I put that in quotes because it's really just content delivered via email. And the best part about this is that you can set up your lead funnel and your lead magnet, and you can just start generating leads and then write the emails each day. That's all you have to do. If you are in the physical product space, you may want to do something like a coupon or a voucher for a free lead magnet, right? Give people 10% off, 20% off, redeem something free, get a rebate. These are super easy to make. You just make a little graphic, you put it in the lead magnet, and then people start downloading it. Another type of free lead magnet that you can do is you can offer a free membership or a free trial. So if you have a membership community that's $29 a month, give it to them for free for 7 days to see what they think. Okay, so free trials and free memberships are very popular, especially in the software space. But with just a little creative thinking, you could come up with a way that you could do a free trial or a free membership for your products as well. The last type of free lead magnet is super simple, and it is a quiz or an assessment. You know how much people love taking quizzes. So just come up with a cool quiz like, what kind of Disney princess are you? Except that probably wouldn't work in your business unless you work for Disney. And come up with a cool quiz and then come up with some answers, and then they have to put their email address in to see their results. That can generate tons and tons of leads, especially if your topic topic is super interesting. There are a million ways to do a free lead magnet, and the most important thing I can tell you is that you need to build your email list. So get a lead magnet out today, because building the lead magnet is part one, but part two is actually getting people into that lead funnel. So be sure to check out the next video, how to advertise your lead magnet on social media. And if you love this content, please subscribe, comment, tell us what you love. We read everything. See you next time.